When the Cherokee government reestablished itself in Indian Territory, Principal Chief John Ross pushed to create a new newspaper for our people called the Cherokee Advocate. The first issue was printed on September 26, 1844.
There were all types of stories that were being published in the Advocate newspaper. There were stories about the government, the Cherokee government, what was going on with it, what laws were being passed, and also just the day-to-day life of citizens. It did touch on some national politics as well.
The newspaper was a tool to keep our citizens informed and educated. The use of our Cherokee syllabary emphasized the importance of our language.
It's imperative we keep the language everywhere if we can. If we don't have the language, we don't have anything beyond that.
We can't forget for a moment that the Cherokee Phoenix and the Advocate were this country's first bilingual, indigenous-led newspaper. And additionally, that's something that we should be proud of, both as it relates to our past, but also as it relates to our present.
I think the Cherokee Advocate, Cherokee Phoenix newspapers are a symbol of our sovereignty.
It's our voice. I mean, it's how we're able to communicate to not only our tribal citizens, but the world, really. It's the voice of the Cherokee people.